Hey everyone, welcome to this English listening practice video. You can use this to train your listening and understanding. I will speak slowly, I will speak clearly. Don't worry if you don't understand everything, that's okay. Just listen, relax, and enjoy. Today's topic is pets. Yes, pets. Pets are animals we keep at home. They are not wild animals. They live with us. We take care of them. We feed them. We love them. Are you ready to learn more about pets in English? Let's go. Let's start with this question. What is a pet? A pet is an animal that lives with you in your home. A pet is like a friend. A pet is like family. You play with your pet. You feed your pet. You take care of your pet. Some people have a dog. Some people have a cat. Some people have a fish. Some people have a bird. Some people have a rabbit. Some people have a hamster. There are many types of pets, big pets, small pets, quiet pets, noisy pets. Every pet is special. Let's talk more about dogs. Dogs are very friendly. Dogs like to play. Dogs love to go for walks. They bark. Woof woof. Dogs are smart. They can learn tricks. Some dogs are small. Some dogs are big. Some have short hair. Some have long hair. Dogs need food. Dogs need water. Dogs need love. Dogs love you back. Now, let's talk about cats. Cats are quiet. Cats are soft. Cats say meow. Cats love to sleep. Cats love to climb. Cats love to sit in the sun. They also like to play with toys. Some cats like people. Some cats like to be alone. That's normal. Every cat is different. Do you like dogs or cats? Or maybe you like both? Let me tell you a story. When I was a child, I had a cat. Her name was Mimi. Mimi was black and white. She was very small and very fast. She loved to sleep on my bed. Sometimes she woke me up at night. She jumped on my pillow and said meow. But I loved her so much. She made me feel happy. When I felt sad, she sat next to me. She made me feel better. Now, I don't have a pet. But I still love animals. Sometimes I visit my friend. She has a dog. His name is Coco. Coco is a big dog. He is brown and very strong, but he is also very kind. He likes to play with a ball. He always brings the ball to me. He is very smart and very cute too. When I play with Coco, I smile. I feel happy. I feel calm. Animals are good for our hearts. They give love. They give joy. Do you have a pet? If yes, that's great. If not, that's okay too. Having a pet is fun, but it is also a job. Pets need care. Pets need time. Pets need love. Here are some simple tips if you have a pet. Give your pet food every day. Give your pet clean water. Take your pet to the doctor if it is sick. Play with your pet. Be kind to your pet. Give your pet love. Remember, your pet is part of your family. Your pet trusts you. Your pet needs you. Sometimes pets make a mess. Sometimes they are noisy. Sometimes they break things. That's okay. Don't worry. That's normal. We all make mistakes. Pets do too. Be patient. Be calm. Your pet will learn. You will learn together. And if you don't have a pet, you can still love animals. You can visit a pet shop. You can go to a farm. You can read a book about animals. You can watch animal videos. There are many ways to enjoy pets, even without having one. Now, let's learn some pet words in English. You can listen and repeat after me, okay? Dog, cat, fish, bird. Rabbit, hamster. Pet food, leash. Cage, toy. Good job. Now let's say some simple sentences. I have a dog. My cat is small. I love my pet. My fish is orange. The rabbit is cute. Excellent, you are doing great. It's okay if you don't remember all the words. You can listen again later. Practice makes progress. Great work today, my friend. You listened, you learned, you practiced. That is amazing. I'm proud of you. Remember, learning English is like caring for a pet. It needs time. It needs love, step by step, day by day. You will get better. Don't worry if it feels slow. That's normal. You are doing your best. And that's enough. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this English listening practice about pets. If you like this video, leave a comment and tell me, do you have a pet? Or, what pet would you like to have? I really want to hear your answer. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun and easy English practice. You are not alone in this. We are learning together. See you in the next video. Take care. And give a little smile to the next animal you see. Bye-bye. Bye.